Okay, so I just made it to the mailbox. Yep, the mailbox. There is nothing in the mailbox. It is raining. I hate the rain, man. I hate storms in general. So if it's sprinkling now, it's gonna storm. I mean, just look at that sky. Just look at it. It's Yesterday I hid underneath my covers because I was so scared, and my friend William, he had to help me because I'm scared to death of thunder and lightning, because my dad, my brother's dad, he died of being electrocuted from lightning or something. There was a hairdryer in the bathroom or something, and it fell, and there was some water in the tub, and he wasn't in the tub, but I mean, lightning came through the thing. And, look, there's a chipmunk. Look at him. Oh, he's so cute. Oh, did you see him? He was so tiny. Oh my God. Come back, little chipmunk. I don't even know where you went. Just stay dry, little buddy. Okay, well, that was a short video. I'm gonna go inside. Yeah, inside. Not excited. Before I get rained on. I'm already getting rained on. But, bright side? Glasses broken. Something else I was supposed to tell you, but I've already forgotten. So, yep, just gonna go inside now.